I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Power on the JBL Wave Flex and ensure it has some charge so pairing stays steady. Press and hold its Bluetooth button until the LED blinks. That puts the headset into pairing mode, which broadcasts its ID. On your Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure scanning is enabled. The phone listens for new devices. You do this now because active pairing windows are short, and immediate scanning prevents timeouts and repeated retries. Once the JBL appears in your phone's list, tap the device name to connect. That initiates the Bluetooth handshake. You may see a pairing prompt. Confirm it and allow any requested permissions so media and call audio route correctly. After Android shows connected, open a music app and play a short clip to verify audio path. If you need higher quality, make sure the media audio profile is active in the Bluetooth device details. Doing this ensures calls and media use the Wave Flex properly. To finish, check volume on both phone and Wave Flex and confirm calls route to the headset. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to reboot the phone and power cycle the headset. This clears temporary Bluetooth state. If that fails, forget the device in Android's Bluetooth settings and repeat pairing, because stale entries often block new handshakes. One key troubleshooting tip: move away from other Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices and update firmware. Interference or outdated firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.